Hi, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen what is the Zener diode and its IV characteristics. But where it can be used in electronics, what is its application? In this video, I am going to explain you how a Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. For this, first of all, we should know that what is a voltage regulator and then implication of Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Moreover, there can be two cases of using a Zener diode and that I will discuss in the next video. So please watch this video completely and thoroughly and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more contents. Now let's see what is a voltage regulator. Voltage regulators are the circuits which provide constant DC or AC output voltage, irrespective of changes to the load current or input voltage. It is a widely used circuit in electronics. Its application includes stabilizers, computers, etc. Now I will take an example to explain that how a Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. As you can see in this diagram, this is a DC voltage source. Its output voltage may vary from 1 to 10 volt. Its positive terminal is connected to a resistor and our purpose is to light this LED which requires maximum 5 volt. Now if this voltage source gives more than 5 volt, then it may damage this LED. So what can we do? We can connect a Zener diode in reverse direction in parallel to the LED. Now let's denote the current in the branches of this circuit. Current in resistance are IR and current passing through the Zener diode is IZ and current in the load is denoted by IL. Then this IR current is the sum of Zener current and the load current. This is obvious from the circuit. One more important thing, that the Zener voltage, which is denoted by Vz, and it is fixed and is specified by the manufacturer in the data sheet of the Zener diode, is equals to the load voltage. You can see that these are two connected in parallel. When the input voltage increases, which leads to increase in the current through this resistance, then Zener diode becomes active and it will draw maximum current. So the Zener current, that is the IZ, will also increase. Here recall the Zener diode IV characteristics. The rapid increase in the Zener current will not affect the voltage drop across it. In this way, Zener diode protects the LED by maintaining a constant voltage, the constant output voltage across it, while drawing the maximum current through it. And for low input voltage, what happens? Zener diode will be in cutoff mode. It will be off and you can see the current flowing through this Zener diode. Ideally it will be 0 or it is negligible, and it will let the load current to increase to have a required voltage drop across the LED. Let's understand this process with a numerical. So in this circuit, resistance value, the input voltage and load resistance all are given. Zener voltage, which is specified by the manufacturer, is also given. PZM is maximum wattage rating. It is also mentioned. Now we need to find VL, VR, IZ, PZ. And then we need to repeat the process for this load resistance. Now let's see how a Zener diode is going to work. So the first step is to know whether the Zener diode is on or off. For this, what you will do? You will remove this Zener diode and find out the voltage drop over this point. So this V voltage, which is also equals to the VL, it is given by RL, product VI upon R plus RL. So putting the values of RL, R and VI, this voltage drop will be 8.727. And now this voltage drop is less than the specified Zener voltage, which is 10 volt, which means that Zener diode is off. It is not active. and current passing through it will also 0. Power dissipation will be 0. The VR, the voltage drop across the resistance, is given by VI minus VL. This is our equation 2 and step 2. And then step 3 is, what will be the current? IR is the sum of IZ plus IL, but in this case the Zener diode is not active, so Zener current is 0 and therefore IR is equals to IL. In the second part of the problem, the load resistance value is changed. Now let's see how it will going to affect the Zener diode working. Step 1 is to know how much voltage drop is across this Zener diode. V is equals to, which is the load voltage, so it is RL VI upon R plus RL. Putting the values, solving it. Now the voltage drop 12 volt, which is greater than the Zener voltage, which means Zener diode is active, it is on. And when Zener diode is active, it will pass the maximum current while maintaining a constant voltage drop, and that constant voltage drop is the Zener voltage, which means that it will consistently gives output of 10 volt. Now what was the second step? Second step is to know the voltage drop across the resistor, and it is VI minus VL. And the third step was to know the current, so IR is equals to IZ plus IL, where the IR is VR upon R and the load current is given by VZ upon RL. You can solve it. In the last parameter, that is the PZ. So PZ is the product of Zener voltage and the Zener current. If we put the values, then this PZ will be 26.7 milliwatt, which is less than the maximum wattage rating. In this way, Zener diode act as a voltage regulator. In the second part of this topic, we will discuss more on the working of Zener diode as voltage regulator. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share it. If you have any queries regarding this topic or any other topic in analog electronic circuits, then you can write me in the comment section or you can mail me. My mail ID is given in the description of the video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.